I'm not good at singing and not good at this, but my name is Ophelia, I guess. Hello, so today I really want to show you this little snacky idea that I have had for quite a while now. I've really wanted to make some type of food video for a very long time now, but I don't actually have a food making surface really to show you guys how to cook things clearly, and also I don't really make a lot of complex food, so I just kind of really wanted to make some simple, fun and vegan snacks for you all. I feel like when I find vegan videos online, they're not really cutesy, so I really wanted to make one that was really cute. So yeah, what you've seen already is basically me just cutting in some shapes for the toasts. I'm making a squirrel and a froggy today. I love little froggies, and I knew I had to make a little avocado froggy toast. I've had this plan since last January, actually drawn out and everything, so it's really like fun to finally see this project come together. And yeah, I'm just putting on the avocado. I do love avocado, and afterwards, when I actually ate the little froggy, which I felt really bad about, I actually had to add more avocado because as I said, I absolutely adore avocado. And yeah, no, it was really hard to like think, oh, should I only put this amount on because, it might look better for pictures, but I still wanted to have that delicious avocado-y time, so yeah. And I'm just gonna clean it up, make it look cute. And this one is a squirrel, which doesn't really look like a squirrel in the final picture, and I'm kind of sad about that. I should have added little banana-y teeth, and I'm kind of doing something quite strange. I was meant to use smooth peanut butter, but I've used chunky, crunchy, is that what it's called? And yeah, so I use peanut butter, but I also use some speculoos, some biscuit spread, and it makes such a good combo. I only just had a PBJ sandwich the other day, and this is kind of like my own strange take on that. I'm not much of a sweet tooth, but this was really, really nice, so I really recommend it, even if you're not decorating your toast to look like a silly looking squirrel. Please do give this a taste. This really is tasty, and yeah, I'm just trying to make it look all brown and squirrely, I guess. Not that I can ever say I've tried to make food look like a squirrel before, but yeah, no, just mixing the peanut butter with it is just so good. I'm adding vegan mayo to the froggy for eyes. This vegan mayo is the one from Tesco's, if you're from the United Kingdom. Is really good. It truly is really lovely. It's from their Free From range, and it really has a good texture to it. And for the squirrel's little eyes, I'm using cut up bananas. And oh my gosh, the bananas on top of this was so good. For this one, I actually added extra bananas to the end because it tasted so good. And I'm using this thing called a choc shot. Now, you can use like melted chocolate for this or just icing or whatever, but this is like a liquid chocolate syrupy saucy thing, and I don't know if you can get it anywhere else, but it's for sale in the UK, so if you're really interested in that, I'd definitely give it a look at. It's vegan, as you should already know. And for the froggy's eyes, I'm using balsamic glaze, which sounds really fancy, but it's literally, you can get it for like £1. It's quite cheap, and I was just trying to think for ages what could be like the savoury equivalent, and it's obviously balsamic glaze. And for this, I'm using a little bit of hot sauce, yeah, that's what it's called, for the froggy little blushy bits. And I thought this was so cute. Like, I didn't know what I was going to use for the little blush bits, but I think that the hot sauce worked really well. And for the sweetened version, I'm using jam, because I love jam. Afterwards, I also added loads of jam to the squirrel because there wasn't enough jam on it. I wanted it to be a bit aesthetic before I, cluttered it with tasty snacks. I'm also using the choc shock to put on the little face for the squirrel. And I had a real difficulty with this, and I accidentally spilt some on my floor, so that was not good. I ended up just using my fork, my knife, I ended up using my knife to decorate the face because I really did have I really did struggle with making the little face for this dude. And I'm so annoyed I didn't make little banana teeth for him, because that would have been perfect and he would have actually looked like a little squirrel then. But what can I do? He's already being crunched, so yeah. Sorry for this bit, it has a bit of like this bit has a strange sound because it's like a little bin truck coming past, so yeah. I'm also using the balsamic glaze for the little froggy mouth, and oh, I love little V mouths for little frog characters. Like, it's just so sweet. Oh, by far the froggy was my favorite to look at, but like it was really interesting to have the squirrel like sweet flavor. I've never had like a sandwich taste like this before. Toast, not sandwich, but yeah. I added a pepper to the frog because I wanted a little speckled frog, like the speckled frog from the song. You know, if you know this song, please like leave it below and like let me know that I'm not just some strange frog song singing person. And the squirrel, I'm trying to put like the little stripe thing down, but it doesn't look correct. But oh well, I tried my best. Little squirrel. I hope he like comes across as a squirrel and not some like strange melted cat, because I don't know, I tried to make a cat one the other day and it didn't go well, so I thought, oh, a squirrel would make sense with the kind of brownish colour. So yeah, this is it. It was actually really easy to make, and they were really tasty. I definitely think I'm going to try my, like, making this more often, like, especially the jammy, squirrely biscuit spread one. It's really tasty, and yeah, please let me know if you want to give this little recipe thing a go. I've never made a video like this before, so please let me know if you've enjoyed this. I really want to make more food videos, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. It always means the world to me that you guys will give me your time and your energy and your love, and I hope that I can like send it back to you. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.